today I'm going to show you how I make this double lapped dovetail joint. So first things first is I'm marking the lap on the ends of what's going to be the tail board and what is going to be the pin board. Now on this particular joint I'm going to have the tail board overlap the pin board, so this little piece that we've marked out here, this lap, will show on the end of this pin board. So the next thing then is to take that tail board and also mark on it the lap thickness on the inside, like so, and on the edges as far as where that lap's going to be. So not quite all the way. And then if we're very careful, we can also mark that lap for the very short distance it goes back to join that other mark, like so, and up here. And we're left with then the area that we need to take away on this board, so it's that area there and back for the distance of the lap that's going to be on the pin board, and I'm doing both the laps the same thickness. So both of those areas disappear, and we can most probably, just looking at the thickness there, if we use a fine saw we'll be able to saw that out, otherwise you could chop it. If your tail board's got the extended lap on it, then you can use an ordinary dovetail gauge to do your marking out with. If you decide to put your extended lap on the pin board, then you can use a flat dovetail marker to easily get in there and do your marking out. So I set the pin board back to the full length of the tail board, so it's overhanging slightly now because we've done that lap. And then I can come in here with a knife or an awl or a very sharp pencil and mark in for the tails. So that's the double lap dovetail joint. Hope you liked it. Create both parts with an extended lap and simply mitre them. Many thanks to my Patreon supporters. For more information on that, visit the links.